Thank you for a very interesting course.
It's been a really enjoyable experience.
Thanks to Esteban, now I'm a pro about chakras.
This is just such a fascinating subject.
I'm now able to understand the reason why and how I can change and react in a different way, in a more positive way, like a positive archetype and not the negative archetype, as I used to do.
I would say that this is really good because it's been fun, it's been entertaining. We've had our homework to do. We've been totally involved with what we've been doing. I would say it would be an excellent course.
Absolutely, yes, absolutely. Come on, come and join us. Hey!
I would recommend this to anyone. It's really been most interesting and varied in every way.
If you want to know yourself, you want to learn about yourself, then take this course for sure.